Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Boxycharm. This is October's box and I do realize like we're now on the 30th of October. I had originally canceled and had signed back up to grab the premium box, which I am on the wait list for, as we all are. So anyway, I entered in the Tarte promo and I'm not exactly sure what I got. There's been so many variations this month. So I'm excited to see. I should have gotten at least one of the Tarte palettes. So just to let you know that Boxycharm is, I believe, $21 a month. I believe it's going up to $25 plus $5 to ship to Canada. Makes it about $34 Canadian right now. You are supposed to get between 5 and 6 full-size items. I know there's some hiccups this month, again, with a size that wasn't a full size, and it wasn't even, the box wasn't even of value. You're supposed to get a value of over $100 in this box. So with this box, I should get at least 6 items because I did get the extra item. You can order add-ons. Apparently they ship different at a different time. You get charms for reviewing, which you can claim for extra products, as well as they're coming out with Boxy Premuim, which is apparently $35. For the upgraded box, it has a retail value, I believe, of $250. I think they originally said over $300 and had to lower it. Anyway, if you were interested in signing up, you can use my code below. I believe if you can still use Trick or Tarte, and you can get a Tarte item. With that being said, I'm not sure if you will get October's box or if you will get just November's box. So if you can hold on, you can sign up on the 1st and you will get November's box for sure. And you can apparently, I believe, sign up then to get on the wait list for Boxy Premuim. I'm not 100% sure how that works. So as you can see, I just ripped it open because I'm really bad at opening products on camera. So let us see what I got. So I'm gonna flip this over. You guys are gonna see before I do. What did I get? Did I get something good? Oh, I'm surprised. Wow. Okay, so I got Sassy Siennas from Dose. I actually am kind of happy with this. I was kind of hoping for the I Love Sarah one, but this one will definitely do. Now I do realize this is all matte shades, but oh, there's a little, oh, that's nice. It came with a little brush. So there are the shades. Those are simply gorgeous, and I will definitely be using them. It's a nice little palette. Sorry, I got a little light there, but it's like blinding me. Ooh. So that's just one swatch. That's actually really, really pretty. I could actually play around with this and use this for when I don't want to wear a whole lot of makeup. Ooh. Those are really, really creamy shades. Wow. I think I did that one already, but those are some buttery shades. Ooh, I really, really, really like that. Oh, and don't forget the brush, Roxanne. Oops. Okay, so that is one of the items. So let's see here. Oh, so I did get the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So I was actually kind of hoping for this one, so yay me. Let's open it up and see what it is about. So there's the mascara there. And let's see the other side. Okay, so I'm guessing one side is a primer or lower lashes. That's really flimsy. As you can see, it's already, looks like it's been bent. Okay, so kind of just ripped that off. So does this say anything? Let's see here. Yeah, nope. Okay, so that's interesting. I'm not exactly sure. I thought it was an eyeliner, so hey, I do like Hank & Henry, so I will definitely be trying that. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay, so I did get the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This is a little bit dark for me. I was hoping for something a little lighter, so I will probably put that either in a giveaway or maybe even try to sell it. I may try it. I'm not sure. That's a little dark even for me. I'm fairly light. So I'm not sure about that. So those are 3 full-size items. I was kind of looking for the lipstick. Oh, so I got the Smashbox eyeliner. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I love that, the look of that. That is so nice. Wow. So I guess I'll definitely be trying that now that I swatched it anyway. Okay, so, oh, there's the card. Okay. Oh, I got something else in here. Oh, and I got the Cella tweezers. So I find that you can never have too many tweezers, so I will definitely be trying these. Now I've heard mixed reviews on these. Some say that they're really pointy, others say that they're not all that great. So I think I opened this the wrong way, but I'm not sure. This wasn't even closed properly. And the thing wasn't even on it. So, all right, so, okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are my 5 items. Now, this is kind of funny. I got this again, which I'm okay with because I did trade this originally for the Element Violet Voss. Ouch. And I was really, really hoping this is the one I would get, only because I did trade it. And then I got, you know, that, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. They are fairly neutral shades, but that's okay. Oh, it smells so wonderful. Sorry, guys. So I think I'm gonna definitely try one of these looks, maybe for the next one that I'm doing. Maybe add in some of the red, the sassy siennas. Ooh, that one's actually really pretty. I think I might actually try that one and see. So I'm super happy with that. That is gorgeous. It's huge. It's heavy. And I'm okay with getting that. I'd rather have that one than the other one, actually. It's kind of funny because I'm not sure if that's the other one or not. So this is the cheek palette. So I got that in a previous one, and I haven't even opened, like, I've opened it, but I don't think I've used it. I was gonna do a trade, but then I ended up not doing a trade, so I'm not sure if I will actually use this or kind of gift it to somebody. It's beautiful. I love the I love the way it's designed. I know I do use the other that's what I want. Okay. So that's everything in my box. So let's see here. It says flip over for a bigger Boxycharm. Okay, the bigger Boxycharm Premium, which they do have here. So it is a 5. So I'm going to do the dose of color. So this is valued at $32. The iconic London Prep Set and Glow is valued at $29. Hank and Henry Slick With It mascara is $19. Smashbox Always On eyeliner is valued at $22, and this is valued at $20. So it doesn't actually say here. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to read this here. So 32 plus, okay, so So apparently my box had a value of $110, and that's not including the tarte palette, which I believe the tarte palette is worth $30 or $40. So that's probably after quite a bit. So this is Tag Boxy After Dark for a chance to be featured. Win a 1-year subscription to Boxycharm and a $1,000 pop-up credit. So you need to follow at Boxycharm and Face Tune Up app. Okay, that's kind of neat. So and then it has the information about Boxycharm 2.0, better customization, more choice value, add-ons, and all add on all the other awesome options at this amazing price of $3 to $18. And then the pop-up, which the pop-up is coming, I believe, on the 11th for if you're on the list for the BoxyLuxe. I did cancel, and then I did sign up, and then I upgraded to the BoxyLuxe just to see what was available. I'm not sure if I will get it or not. Right now the spoilers are underwhelming. I had my hair up all day and I just tried to straighten it as quickly as possible. Yes, sir, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping my BoxyLuxe. We'll just see how it goes. It is heading into December, and I do have 4 children that I do have to spend money on for Christmas. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a review. I actually ended up trying the red nail polish from the Luxebox, and I absolutely love it. With that also being said, I did try out the mascara, the Betty Boop mascara, and I mean, I've used it 2 or 3 times now, and it is starting to flake. I'm not 100% sold on it. Actually, I think I might even toss it in the garbage. As for the blush, I am wearing the blush. I do like it. I'm only wearing it lightly, just like enough. I tend to I do like it. I'm trying to kind of underwhelm my makeup right now, as well as I've been using the BoxyLuxe eyebrow product. I really love that. I can't remember if I was using anything else. The brushes, what was it? The brushes I got in Ipsy, I've been using. I absolutely love them. This is one of my favorite brushes, is the Fair brush. So soft, so soft. As well as the one from Look Fantastic, actually. I really like that one. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably try this one or the Tarte palette for my next video. We're heading into the first, so I will definitely be trying one of those 2 on, as well as the mascara and the eyeliner, which I'm super excited about. I'm probably gonna play around with this just a little bit. I'm not exactly sure. I know everyone else has got their bottles, so they're not, you know, they don't need this. I was reading on Reddit that if you get this and it's like too sparkly, I guess, because it's got some sparkles in it, as you can see. I'm gonna give it just a quick spray. Let's see here. Doesn't really have much of a smell, which is kind of nice, but apparently if you take a coffee filter and you dump it into the coffee filter and then, like, you know, put it back in here, it picks up some of this sparkle and it makes it less sparkly. It also takes a lot of the product out, I will warn you. So like now I can't really see any, so I'm not sure. So here, let's do it this way. So this is supposed to set your makeup. Ready? You know what, I'm gonna give this a go. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, does it? I mean, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference. You can see my age spots. Kind of like the smell of it. Kind of smell vanilla-y. Anyway, so with that being said, thank you for watching this. It is the end of October. We have Halloween tomorrow, so if you can hit the like button, the thumbs up, subscribe and comment below. Did you get this box? What did you like in it? As well as if you want to win. Let's see. Oh, sorry guys. I just wanna, should have grabbed this out before. Okay. So people know what I'm talking about. I had hidden my box somewhere where I knew it would be, and I forgot where, so I found it. So this is October's Look Fantastic. It is in here. You have to go and like my October box, or October Looks Fantastic unboxing. Like it, share it, and comment below. Enter the hashtag giveaway, and you could win this box. So yes, that video will be popping up shortly. So anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.